8th District U.S. Representative Joanne Emerson's last day in office will be January 22nd. When Emerson announced in December that she would be stepping down, she expected to stay on the job until February. However, she told 18 Eyewitness News she had a very specific reason for moving up the date.
We've decided to move it back so the governor has absolutely no excuse whatsoever for not scheduling the special election to replace me on the same time, April the 2nd, as the municipal elections will take place. They've got plenty of time to do that, and that way it won't cost any extra money to the taxpayers.
Emerson has been making somewhat of a farewell tour around the district over the past few days, and she says it's been bittersweet.
Because I love our district, I love our constituents. I've made some very, very dear friends over the last really the 32 years that both my late husband Bill and I have served this wonderful part of Missouri.
Emerson is leaving the House of Representatives to become president and chief executive officer of the National Rural Electric Cooperative Association. Well, now Dustin Kopp is here with a look at our first forecast. It's been wet so far, Dustin. What's on tap?